Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create waterfall charts. The waterfall chart can be used for analytical purposes, especially for understanding or explaining the gradual transition in the quantitative value of an entity that is subjected to increment or decrement. Suppose take for example, somebody is getting salary, okay, salary of 1 lakh. And once he gets salary, he has certain budget for spending. And after receiving salary of 1 lakh, he spends for education of the children, house rent, and normal maintenance of the family like grocery XYZ, and also some medical expenses are there. Once salary comes, 1 lakh comes, then it starts the value starts decreasing. And suppose in between he gets some dividends, once again value increases. For such kind of case, you can use this waterfall chart. And this is, you can see, this is a data set that we are going to use here. This is a business that the person is getting a gross revenue of 1 lakh rupees. For 1 lakh rupees and the cost of goods sold, this is this is costing aspects, that is 30,000. Therefore, this becomes once again it is 70,000. That means 1 lakh minus 30,000, it is becoming 70,000. Then there are some also other expenses like the person spends in marketing, that is 10,000. Once again it gets deducted. Then commissions also he pays to the people. Then it is commission is minus once again 4,500. Then payroll, employee salary, you can say this is 24,000 he pays. Then equipment he also uses 6,800. And once again these values are subtracted from here, 70,000. Then operating income become 24,700. Then he gets some interest revenue 4,500. Once again it increased. This is the revenue that he received. Then once again this is interest expense. Loss from lawsuits 9,000, 2,000. This is also deducted. Then net income becomes 18,200. Okay, so we have certain data here. We are getting some income. Then from the income, we are getting some revenue. From the revenue, we have the cost being deducted 70,000. Once again, expenditure in these head, these are also deducted 24,700. And also another income we are getting here. Then here, once again, deduction is there. Then this is the net income. Okay, we can use in this case, we can use waterfall chart. So let us select the data. So this is the data. Then we can insert. Okay, you see here insert waterfall chart, waterfall funnel stock, etc. Okay, we can use, or we can also recommended chart. We will also get it. Let us see. This is the first one is the waterfall chart. You see. Let us understand this. This blue color are the, what you see, these are the total income. Okay, you see here total revenue, you see it is 1 lakh. Here it is 70,000. You see this is the 1 lakh gross revenue. Then 30,000 has been deducted for costing aspects. This has to be here Excel by default it has increased it like 70,000. When there is a deduction of 30,000, it has to be reduced here. Okay, but it has been increased. Once again there is deduction. You see 10,000 deduction. This is 4,500. This is also payroll. It is called 24,000. This is 6,800. These are deduction. Once again we have operating income total. Okay, 24,700. This is the income that is being received 4,500. And once again there are deductions here. This is the net income. There is one problem here. You can see is the 70,000 is the additional income that the business is getting? Not certainly. Because this 70,000 is a part of this 1 lakh. This is a part of the, that means if this is the total, 1 lakh is the total, this is the subtotal we are getting. This 70,000 is the subtotal of this 1 lakh. But here you see, as if Excel has done, it has added here. It is becoming 140, close to 140 it is becoming, which is wrong. Okay. Similarly, here also, this is also another subtotal, 24,700, and this is also a subtotal. Okay. This is an income. This is also fine. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to change it. That means we have to bring it down. So what we can do, we can click on it. So you see, once we click on this, what happens? Everything has been selected. Then I can select once again. Means I can click once again. You see, rest of the bars are faded now, and only one is highlighted. I want that this has to come down. So what I can do, I can double click. Then after double click, so I can set as total. So you see, there is a change. Yes, there is a change. Okay, now it is fine. So 1 lakh minus this 30,000, then this is becoming 70,000. Once again, there is a reductions. This is 60,000, 4,500, another reductions, and 24,000, it is becoming 24,000. Okay. So we can also, we have to bring it down. Set as subtotal. You see, there is a difference. Okay. And here also, this one, we can bring it down. Set as subtotal. Okay, we can bring it down. Now this is called, this chart is ready. So we have here blue color bar. This tells about our income or revenue. Okay, this blue color, this is the subtotal, you can see. Then once again, these are the reduction. This is also a reductions. Okay, this gray color increases total or subtotal. Okay, so this is once again income is coming. This is increasing 24,700 plus 4,500. Then once again it is, there is reductions. For this purpose, especially waterfall chart is used. When we have a data, we are getting some income and expenditures or profit and loss account. Okay, and we, for that we can use this kind of charts. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.